So we'll need a tweeds loop forming plier, bird's beak plier, AJ Wilcock wire cutter, glass marking pencil and a scale, and also a glass plate. So I have drawn this for a reference, and drawing it like this and making it this way makes it easier for me, but for the measurements it's better if you have a cast with you. So there are no specific measurements for this Tourquing auxiliary, as the measurements differs from cases to cases. So to make it easier, it's better if you use a cast as a reference. Now you can see I have mentioned A, B and C. So the horizontal components A and C should be equal to each other, whereas B, it should be slightly greater than A and C, as this will come between the central incisors. So as you can see, I'm drawing two central incisors. So just imagine like these are your central incisors. So this horizontal component B, this will lie between your two central incisors. So this is how it will come. For a better picture, it's given in your Begg's book, which you can refer to after watching this video. Now this vertical component, it should be 3 to 4 mm as given in the Begg's book. So remember that it shouldn't exceed 3 to 4 mm. So first we are gonna make it straight like this using this as our reference. And before we start making, we'll slightly cold work and slightly straighten the wire. It will just make it easy for further steps. Now first we'll make a small loop like this, and then measure and bend 90 degrees for the first vertical loop. And then with the help of a loop forming plier, we'll make the loop, and it should come something like this. And don't forget to check it in every step, because if there is a slight mistake in the bend, you can rectify it immediately. Then follow the similar process and continue making the vertical loops. Now after making all the 4 vertical loops, it should look something like this. And the most important part, as you can see here, that all the horizontal components, it should touch the paper or the glass plate. So now comes a little bit difficult part. So we have to turn this into a coin. So for that, we need to place slight bends along the horizontal component, something like this. As you can see, it will take time. So little by little, start from one end to the other end and continue this till a coin is formed. It will take a bit of time, but be patient and do it. Don't try to make it in just one bend. You can also use your finger pressures slightly and try to make it a coil. And in the end, you'll have a coil like this. And most importantly, as you can see, like all the horizontal components are touching. That is, they're all in the same plane. This is very important. Now comes a very important part. As you can see, these vertical arms, they are standing straight like 90 degrees, right? Now we need to bend it into a 40-degree angle. Something like this. You can see it's slightly bent 40 degrees. So we have to do this for all the 4 arms. So for this, we'll hold it like this with a thumb, and with a finger pressure, we'll try to bend it inwards to give that 40-degree angle. So this will take time, and as you do this, the plane will change. So be patient, and as you bend these inward, also try correcting the plane at each step. So at the end, it will look something like this. So here, this is your Tourquing auxiliary. And also remember, most importantly, all the horizontal arms should touch. As you can see, one arm is slightly not touching the plane. We'll adjust it a bit, and we'll make sure that that touches the glass plate as well. So here is the final Tourquing auxiliary.